Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here with a new update for Google Docs, and that is going to be the ability to add line numbers to any of your paged items that you have in Google Docs. And you'll see that I am actually in a Microsoft format file that I've got stored in Drive. So this also works for Microsoft files that you've got stored in Drive as well as your Google Docs. So let's show you how you're going to use this. So you're going to go up to the top and under the Tools menu in the upper left corner of our screen. You're going to click on that, and then down in the middle of the menu, you'll see an option for line numbers. Now, this doesn't automatically apply them. You'll see to the right side, it kicks out a window. You'll click on Show Line Numbers, and then below that, it will give you some different options in terms of the line numbering mode. Do you want it to go throughout the entire document, restart on each page or each section? You can even grab a certain amount of text and have it apply to that certain area or to the entire document as I have selected here. And if I just run down a little bit, you'll see to the left side of our screen, there is all of our line numbers that we can check out for our formatting. So with that, just wanted to give you the quick heads up that that is now in play in case you didn't see the little pop-up balloon for it. Once again, that's underneath your Tools menu. Line numbers is an option. Right side window will kick out. You'll select the Show Line Numbers box and then select the type of line numbering format that you would like. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another quick tip, trick, hack, or update. This is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.